In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the service provider search on the Equinix marketplace. This tool allows you to find service providers and partners of Equinix so that you can connect with them. So once you're logged into the marketplace, you can see on the homepage that there is an option to access the search immediately. So for example, if I type in the word network, this will show me companies that have that name or services that are associated with network services. So you can click on any of these and then go directly to those results. Or you can click on this advanced service provider search, which will show you all of the options. So the first thing I wanted to point out was this portion, enter a company name. This is where you can search for any company. For example, let's say you were interested in connecting with AT&T. So I'm going to type in AT&T and then click on their name and then scroll down here and click on their name again. This takes me to their company profile. So I can read some more information about them. I can check where they have locations within Equinix. Service profiles is if the company has a Fabric profile, which in this case AT&T does. If not, this portion would be blank. And then the services section, what services AT&T offers, and contacts. So you can actually get in touch with AT&T directly through the marketplace portal with this send message button right here. But I'm going to get out of this and then go back to the results. Something to note, this provider search only shows public-facing companies. So if you are searching for a company and they're not appearing here, they may be private. If you have questions about those or wanting to find out about them, you can reach out to your account owner. But I'm going to clear this out and then show you the second portion right here. This is where you can search for a list of companies with a given search criteria. So let's say that, for example, you didn't have a particular company in mind, but you wanted to see network services companies or network companies in the Silicon Valley metro for Equinix. Well, you go ahead and select the appropriate location. So I'm going to click on Silicon Valley right here. You can also click at the data center level, but I'll click at the metro level and then click on network services right here. This will, you can select certain sub-services, but please keep in mind that not all companies will appear in the search, or there will be a lot fewer results since not all companies have indicated the sub-services they offer. And then the participants, this is if you just wanted to see companies on Fabric, for example, or Internet Exchange, if you wanted to connect with them in that way, but I'll leave this blank. So these are the results. So I can click on any of these company profiles, or I can download this report, which aggregates all of the information from the search into one Excel file. The simple report, as you can see, just has the name of the company and then the metro locations that you selected. In this case, I just did Silicon Valley. The custom report has a little bit more information. As you can see, I'm going to check all these boxes. And then once you hit download report, it'll download that Excel file. I already have it, so I'm going to pull it up right here. So this is what it looks like. You can see the cover page has the summary of the search with Silicon Valley Network Services. The results overview has all of the company names from the search and then how to connect with them based on where they have a co-location and what interconnection product would be needed. The selected services tab also shows all the companies from the search, but these black dots here represent where they're physically co-located by the different data centers. The Equinix Fabric tab shows those from the search that are on Fabric. And then IX participants similarly shows those from the search that are on the Internet Exchange with their autonomous system number listed. And then the company contacts, this pulls contact information from these different company profiles and puts them on this one report so that you can actually reach out to these different companies. So that concludes this demo. Thank you for watching.